what happened in 2018 when I was in my final year. So like everyone, I was also planning at what should I do next after completion of my bachelor. So I have given my final year exam, and after the last exam, I was just thinking on like what should I do? Whether should I go for GATE exam or should I go for like this to go for job and or to appear for CAT exam or go for GRE abroad. Initially, I was interested by pursuing my MS abroad only, like, but
Okay.
my parents said to study there because of financial constraint. So then I started finding job like for almost 3 to 4 months, and I didn't get it. So after 3 to 4 months finding a job, what I find like I am like no one is guiding me, like no one guide me like what to do next and what should I do. So I started reading from Quora or from this YouTube. Okay, what will be the career opportunities after completion of bachelor's. Then like I very few months were remaining for GATE exam. So I started preparing for GATE by self study only.
Mm-hmm.
And I just applied for the GATE and wrote GATE 2019, and I got around 487 GATE score. But I was not knowing whether this GATE score was a good GATE score, low GATE score, high, like medium GATE score, or what should I do with this GATE score. Because I was not in touch with any people. Like I don't know anyone in this India,
How
like
many
who is
marks?
pursuing from
How many
IIT.
marks exactly did you get in GATE for out of 100?
Uh, it's like 44 or 46 marks I got. And at that time, no, okay, I joined some groups from Facebook, and from there I got some link of WhatsApp and joined WhatsApp group. I had asked like, with this GATE score, what should I do? What should I do? I'm not getting a proper response also. Like I thought my GATE score was very less, so people might not be interested for guiding me. I thought this only. So at that time, I came across one person. She was also having very less GATE score on me, and she told me, okay, like we started chatting, and she told me, brother, what should we do with this GATE score? I thought even I also don't know. That person, she also was not knowing what to do. So initially, I started like, she used to tell me, okay, you find, because she was not contacting with other people. She told me you should contact with other people, like because she also don't have any account. So from the year the turning moment started of finding seniors from the Facebook. So she had told me like, okay, you find that contact from or this college through Facebook. And I started, and because she was not hesitant to ask unknown person, and just she was saying me, brother, and she told me, you ask. So I started finding various seniors contact from Facebook and this WhatsApp also, like from the WhatsApp group, I used to ask any random person. From that
Mm-hmm.
random person, I used to ask other person. In this way, this process continues around 2 to 3 months, and anyhow that girl got admission in IIT, okay, IIT Jodhpur. So from here, what I feel, then during that time also I applied for number of job also. Again, I thought, I don't know, some people told that this GATE score is very less. You will not be getting anything with this GATE score. Better you try again GATE next year. So I thought, okay, I will appear for GATE again 2020, and then luckily I got a job in one of the industry, like a material testing laboratory. So I started my doing job, and okay, my job began. At that time, I was having some 3 4 groups, and from that 3 4 I used to message personally. I used to take senior contact whoever got admission. I saved
Mm-hmm.
their contact number. Almost 50 60 contact number I have saved for myself. Okay, and I've given GATE exam next year. But that year also I didn't get very good marks. I given GATE ISRO exam also. I didn't get ISRO, but like I got around 120 or 130 marks in ISRO, and the cutoff was around, I don't know what the cutoff was, well, 150 only. So I didn't get selected. At that time, I left my job also, and at that year only the pandemic began,
Mm-hmm.
2020. So I thought, again I've got less years, so it means I won't be getting admission same as like previous. So I thought, okay, now I have some contact number, and people in the groups are asking if they know anyone with this branch. I know I have that contact number. So from there, the moment started, I used to contact with seniors, and from there I used to contact this Facebook group. I started with them, and I created a large network also. So last year I used to guide. I used to take reviews. Like I used to contact their senior. I take them review from their college. Okay, what is the placement scenario in the written format, and I used to share with the other people. I had make some post GATE guidance group. Okay, so taking the knowledge from that senior, I used to send that. I used just transfer message from one place to another because
Yeah.
lockdown was there and everything. No one was doing job and everything was stuck up. Okay,
Mm.
in that and while asking a senior, I used to take some contact number from that seniors. So in this way, the contact number I have multiplied in n number of times.
Mm.
And in this way, lots of people got guidance. I was not knowing that with this initiative I can guide 2000 plus people at that time, like in this duration. So during admission, like I got this news, like there is a non-HTL program in IIT Madras, so I applied there. Luckily I got interview call from IIT Madras. I had
Mm.
given interview, I got selected also,
Mm.
and then I took admission there. But now the admission process last year got over. So many
Okay.
people got admission. In that, people, not two people, like they also got admission. They were also touching with me. So
Mm.
they told me like whatever you're taking reviews now in a written format. I used to like more than 300 to 400 reviews I have collected from different IITs and IIT. I use this context and to give me the reviews. Can you tell the information? And that review I used to share in all the Facebook group, all the different which I have made, and people used to get awareness of the
Yeah.
department. This was what the main. So that two-person had given me blog, and the two different blogs they have given me, and they told me like you should like whatever review you are collecting, just put in the blog so that it will get assembled at one place, because the reviews you send it and for the next it will be helpful. So these two people I contacted them. I told that name is Vipin and Pritesh only. These
Okay.
two people now are the teammate. So these two
Okay.
people I told them to contact both among them.
I
So
think one is from
they have come.
NIT, and other is from IIT.
Suratkal.
Yeah.
Yeah, and other is IIT, Vipin IIT from Patna. Now with the some idea they have talked and they have come with the website only. And they
Okay.
have selected website, and now they told okay, now we will work in website so that we will help others. So in this way the website have started. Like I have not never thought of I will be going for website. My intention was like I will be taking admission from IIT, I will be doing job, and I will be like doing for myself. I'm really getting some job. This was what I aim in 2019. But the thing got changed, and I jumped into this career guidance, like giving guidance to other people. So I thought there is still a gap is there, like for PhD abroad. Like people used to ask me like what are different things is required. So I had started this initiative PhD India, postgrad guidance, and the main thing is to connect senior with juniors. With this theme only, I am just taking lead in this term. Like now I have contact with, now I'm contacting with almost 4 to 5 thousand contact number and around thousands of contact there in LinkedIn. So initially I started making contact because if you have contact with other seniors, then only you can get information, or even for yourself also, for other people also. So in this way I started making content LinkedIn also. So now
Mm.
various opportunities also comes there. So this career limit comes from there only. Like so now in this website also we used to we are connected with all the people from all the IITs and IT people IITs, even for state colleges also. So in this way now with this initiative, more people are coming with us, like they are supporting us in different form. We will soon, inshallah, will expand this series of postgrad guidance and PhD abroad, PhD in India at a free of cost. Because what happened now? When I get into IIT Madras, I found lot of opportunities are coming. But
Yeah.
when some people from new IIT or some new colleges, now they told me that they don't know anything, because
Yeah.
that in their college, no one is coming and no one is they're guiding, because now I'm connected. So what I thought, okay, I will call some expert. Then I make various platform also, like groups. The motive of this group is same only, like to get to assemble all the people under one roof,
Yeah.
like all these lower IITs, new IITs, all I see. So all these colleges, so that that new people, the people from the new IITs, they should not lag behind any opportunities. Like they get connected, so they will be getting a pathway only. So to sketch pathway enough for them also, and to make this service like more beneficial. This is what our theme is there, to provide guidance and free of cost. Because
Yeah.
free of cost, like we are also students, we have faced lots of things behind. So we will make this thing more easier, more like with like we will see for we will go for a app also with some other initiative also. So as of now, PhD abroad university, PhD in India university, postgrad guidance, these three things we are running. And soon, inshallah, we will go for job also, like
Yeah.
to call expert. We have already done past, like to have called some people from expert to give guidance, like what industry, in industry what they require, like so that the people in the during the master they can build your profile, because MTech is all about profile building and learning new skills, not about like BTech, you just give exam, you just get pass out. Because after completion of MTech, what I found, like most of the people still they do not have job. So MTech is all about profile building, profile building, profile building. If you are job oriented, to shape, to mold yourself, to learn new skills. And if you have a PhD, if you want to go for PhD, then it's all about research, research, research. You should build your profile in such a way that foreign university will will take you, will get admission. Also, I have collaborated with all these partnerships, and with the same one, you are making, you're doing a great work, because they are also are making videos of PhDs and all this in India and other opportunities. So I told them that only you collab with us and do whatever you want to do, so that it should reach to other people. What I face in 2019 while finding admission for myself and other. So I don't want it should be faced by other people. So just now with the same motive only, like I'm guiding people, like, because what happened now, if you have low grades score now, no one guide easily, like they think you have low grades score, you won't be getting anything. I have seen this down in 2019, lots of people say, oh, low grade score, no, appear get 2020 again.
Yeah.
So that's the reason. But there are opportunities are there even in low grade score. You will be
Yeah.
getting self sponsor. And this thing I found later of this.
Okay.
Last year only I came to know there are so many opportunities are there. The gate is just an exam, okay, for IT, but other ways are there to get into IIT. Even no project associate also there in IIT Madras now.
Mm-hmm.
People go for project associate, like a project 6 months assistantship, and
Mm-hmm.
after that now they can complete, they can convert it into PhD or MS. Same goes for IIT Kharagpur also. Recently one of my friend now, he took admission IIT Pallakad, and he was doing MTech, and he got project assistantship like a 6 month, and that faculty told, if you do 6 months now, I will convert it into MS.
Okay.
He told me, like, what should I do? I told that you should go with head these opportunities. So there are no various opportunities are there. Like without GATE scores, you can take project assistantship in any IIT. If you work for 6 months, you will be getting converted for PhD also,
Mm.
or MTech or MS also. Mostly MS or PhD only. These things are there. Even now, after that, I came to like most of the university in Germany are free. Okay, so even if one don't have very good GATE score and want to pursue their career, they should look for MS abroad also. Nowadays, so many people from India are going for abroad, mostly in Germany or other countries,
Yes. Yes.
because low fees is there, tuition fees is free. So
Yeah.
it will be manageable for them.
Yes.
So
Yes.
opportunities, lots of opportunities are there. See, what I will suggest, na, from what those who are in the final year or those who in the second year of final year, anyone who's appearing for the game, I will tell them that try hard to give your best in this GATE exam. What I find, like so many people, because they have low grade score, they won't find very good opportunities. Okay, opportunities means they don't get what they want, like exactly, like some are targeting, they want MTech in design only from
Mm.
old IIT, but just because they don't have very good skill, they are not getting it. They have to compromise with their branch. Okay,
Mm.
these things are there, and it may happen that you won't be getting any very or high placement like a NITI Mumbai. Like some people are targeting to get into NITI Mumbai.
Mm.
So, but just because they don't get very good skill, they got around 720, 730 GATE score, they get into NITI Mumbai also. So what I will suggest, like, see, now lot of people who are pursuing a masters from MTech or MS in IIT or NIT have 1 or 2 year gap. I
Mm.
have seen it. I have also 1 year gap. So what I lots of people used to call me and contact me, like they have 1 year gap, they want admission, their financial condition are getting weaker and weaker, because they have to support their family by getting job, and from the job they that expenses they have to give to the family. So
Mm.
those one and BTech only or B only, they should appear GATE. They should start preparing for GATE. Give your effort best so that you can get admission, and without any gap in your academic career. You take admission in MS or MTech or whatever you want. You can also go for PhD also. Like if you are like such mindset, or if you want to get into teaching, if you get academic also. So you can, but see this gap, no, though it's not a big deal, but what I mean, it adds on frustration and a stress level in you, you might get frustrated, like a stress gaps keeps on adding up. So my suggestion will be like those who are in the final year, like appearing for a game, give your best so that there should not be any gap in after completion of BTech in your master's program. Try to bring as high as gate score like 850, 900. Try to bring this gate score if you want to get into PSC. So I don't know, like PSC nowadays very few vacancies are there, so you be in top 100. So it's better give your best, like if even if you've taken 1 year gap for this gate 22, give
Okay.
your best, try to bring 850, 800 rank, 800 gate score.
Gate score.
So you can get into NITI Mumbai or any old IITs, okay. But if you get very low gate score, now what happened? You might be sole IIT. So what happened? Then there will be a lot of struggle will be there. If you're taking new IIT on any new colleges now, you have to struggle a lot for getting placement.
Okay, so I hope for the viewers and all, I will share the links, the website link of the Career Limit and the Telegram link